Stuti, please unmute this here. Manoj, you will have to unmute yourself. Manoj, you will have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. I've done it.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, everyone. Okay, now we are into business since 1881 in the same family, and I'm supposedly fifth generation in the business. Now the thing is that, of course, we are on high street also, and majorly now into malls. High streets, like everybody is saying, they have been extremely helpful. They understand the pain. They have exactly whatever we had asked them. They have given us absolutely without any discussion on it, that they want us to survive. They want us to not leave, and they want us to continue there. And they understand the pain. And all the high street, like they immediately said, we are fine with it. Absolutely, you should not even think of closing down or leaving. So continue, and we are there till things get normal, and things will be kept on reviewing, and we'll keep on reviewing, and it will be done to your this thing till things get normal. So, but of course, the difficult part is to get things from the malls. So we are requesting them, and of course there is a lot of big guns here who are definitely will be very well heard by the malls, I suppose. We are a very small fly in front of all of them. But still, I think the malls need to understand the pain. After all, we as SME, we come into that category. So the government has talked so many things, that 20 lakh crores, this, that, but nothing has come to us. No bank finance has come to us. No reduction of interest has come to us. Not even that 20% increase of limits have come to us. It's all in the air. So there is no help from any financial institution. So if that is the case, so see, it is very difficult for us to survive. We'll have to see places where the malls are not going to understand the pain, or malls are not going to really come up to help us out, because we are partners, very well said, like somebody, that when good times also, we were contributing in whatever best possible manner, but in the bad times, which is not a small time, it is going to be a long lived period now. It is not going to be something that is going to change from September, October, November. I think we'll have to write off this 2021 completely. And if the malls, they have to understand the problem. They have to. The only way for an SME like us to survive is on a revenue share business, because I don't think a rental will survive, make us, because, I'll tell you, high street like Connaught Place, we have our flagship store in CP. Now we opened that on the 1st of June, and it was mid-May actually, alternate days and then full time. So you will not be, but it is just 5% of the business, 5 to 10% of the walk-ins. We used to get 100 to 200 walk-ins a day on any day, and now we are getting just 5 people a day to come and see in Connaught Place. I'm talking about CP, which is supposed to be the biggest high street, in the country. So things are going to be extremely bad. Actually, opening the store is much more costlier than closing it. But then you can't do that because the market has to open and we have to be a part of it. So if people like us have to survive, the malls have to really come up as big brothers, help us out in this very difficult time, and give us breathing, the oxygen that we require to come up and stay